How is Tesla adding new workers at Giga Berlin, and what is happening today, June 16, at Tesla's European first Gigafactory outside of Berlin in Grunheide? Today, our friend Tobias Lindh reports from Giga Berlin saying Tesla is bringing new containers for workers and toilets. This means Tesla is adding more workers. This means Gigafactory work is going to speed up even more. Construction of the Tesla factory in Grünheide, numerous objections to the project, but the construction is still moving on. In the opinion of the Brandenburg state government, the planned factory of US electric car manufacturer Tesla near Berlin could progress so quickly that the shell can be seen in autumn this fall. Economics Minister Jörg Steinbach from SPD assumes that the project will be approved despite growing criticism from the state parliament and nature conservationists. It all depends on the quality of the submitted documents, said Steinbach in the Economic Committee of the State Parliament in Potsdam. Welcome back, dear Torque News subscribers and viewers. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and let's get started. Our friends Tobias and Jurgen, who have been every day almost helping us with Albrecht sending reports from Giga Berlin, are reporting from Grünheide, where Tesla is building its Giga Berlin electric car plant, that after a quiet weekend, a lot of exciting things are happening at Tesla's Gigafactory outside of Berlin. Here's what we see today, June 16, at Giga Berlin. Containers are brought to Giga Berlin to accommodate more workers and their catering needs. This means the work is going to even further speed up and accelerate. No wonder we may see the shell of Tesla Giga Berlin, how it looks like by this fall. More quiver foundations are seen today. Now, Jurgen reports that deep excavation pit in the northwest, possibly for the 400-ton press, and sewage pipes are already ready in its place. You know, the pace of construction at Tesla's upcoming European Giga Berlin factory continues to gain steam, with crew and supply trucks making a significant push toward the completion of the first phase. A recent video captured by our friend Jurgen shows an 18-wheeler with piles of structural steel packed onto the trailer and high activity taking place around the site for the new foundation. We reported it at the end of last weekend. Tesla received preliminary approval to begin foundational work on the Giga Berlin site in late May. The State Environment Agency granted the electric automakers contracted construction crews to start establishing a base for the future production facility. Its first steps were to lay gravel roads on the site for construction vehicles to travel on, followed by load tests that assess the ground structural integrity. Since late May, crews have made substantial progress on the site. In early June, the first cemented areas were laid down as teams had finally started foundational developments by laying flooring and footings for the cement to set. According to CDMG, an engineering firm located in Connellsburg, Pennsylvania, near Pittsburgh, steel foundations are a surefire way to avoid issues with soil. There is no indication that Giga Berlin's land is equipped with poor soil quality, but it could lead to extra foundational strength in the future. It could be a precaution to ensure the building's structural integrity. Tesla plans to begin production of the Model Y initially at Giga Berlin, which will start in July 2021. The plant is expected to manufacture around 500,000 Tesla Model Y electric crossover vehicles a year and employ altogether approximately 12,000 people. Despite numerous setbacks in construction due to current virus and approval delays, Tesla has managed to stay on schedule with the development of the Giga Berlin facility. It will be the first Tesla plant that builds the company's electric vehicles in Europe and will supply the continent with electric cars. Now, keep in mind that in Netherlands, Tesla also has an assembly plant, but that's just an assembly facility. That's not a full-fledged full-fledged Gigafactory. In fact, Giga Berlin, as of now, is the largest land Tesla owns. We expect that Tesla Terafactory, which may be in Tulsa or in Texas, in Austin, Texas, is going to be about twice larger than Gigafactory, if it's the land we have been reporting in Haro, Texas. Now, Tesla also started its international rollout of the Model Y vehicles earlier this week. As the first crossover was delivered in Canada, CEO Elon Musk has indicated that European Model Y crossover customers will have to wait until Giga Berlin starts production to receive their crossovers, which will eliminate the price hikes due to exportation and transportation fees. Well, friends, let me know what you think about these developments and how excited you are about seeing more things happening at Giga Berlin. We're looking forward to bring you more news this week. So this is Armen Harian from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video to show your appreciation of Tobias, Jurgen and Albrecht, and thank you Jurgen and Tobias for these materials in this video. I appreciate that greatly. And also Andy Granger, who has sent me some information from German media, which I really appreciate. And in fact, I appreciate all of your input, your comments, your sharing in social media, your sending me this information. I greatly appreciate that, especially if you can share them in social media, friends. That will help me tremendously. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in our next report later today, and take good care of each other and your families, your loved ones, and God bless you all.